Hello guys, so we have a new recipe. I call this Atsarang Sitaw. So, napakadami kong sitaw in my garden, so I tried to do this pickled sitaw. Ingredients: sitaw, ginger, hiniwa-hiwa ko na, carrots, garlic, vinegar, pepper, black pepper, and salt. So, na-branch ko na ang sitaw. So, para sa liquid mixture natin, we need water. Put on a saucepan over a low heat. And then vinegar, 1 cup. Add it to the water. And then 1 cup of sugar. And then add it all together. And stir slowly until it's all dissolved over low medium heat. Lagyan natin ng paminta. At haluin natin ng ganyan. Sarap. Pag natunaw na yung asukal, palamigin lang ng konti. Tapos pwede natin ilagay sa ating gulay. Haluin natin yung ating mixtures. Lahat. Paghalu-haluin natin itong sitaw. Itong sitaw na blanch ko na to. So, bango. Fresh na fresh. And then, lahat na tong mixture. Carrots. Ginger. And onions. No, not onion, garlic. Yan. Hiniwa-hiwa ko lang ng manipis. And then, we make halo-halo like that. Halo-halo lang ng halo. Ayan. Halo-halo-halo. Pwede rin lagyan to ng red bell pepper, guys. Kung gusto nyo pang maging makulay. Halo-halo lang. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. There you go. So, yan na ang ating mixture. Okay. So, now, pwede na natin ilagay ito sa ating lagayan. So, yan na ang ating pag hindi na mainit yung mixture natin or yung brine, then we can put the brine in here. Then ilagay na natin ang mixture. So, this is my Atsarang sitaw. Tikman natin, my friends. So, just a quick tip. Make sure yung vegetables natin is covered with the liquid mixture para siguradong ma-pickle yung mga veggies or kahit anong atsara. So, that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!